Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Stripe elements for customizable secure UI forms, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Stripe elements for customizable secure UI forms, begin by creating a Stripe account if you haven't done so already. Log into your Stripe dashboard and navigate to the Developers section. From there, locate your API keys. You will need both your publishable key and your secret key for integration. Next, choose the appropriate environment, test or live mode. For this guide, we will use the test mode for development purposes. In your project, ensure you have the necessary development environment set up. Make sure you have a module bundler like Webpack or Parcel configured if you're using JavaScript. Import stripe.js into your project. You can add this script in your HTML file before the closing body tag. Add the Stripe Elements library to your JavaScript file. Initialize Stripe using your publishable key. Create an instance of elements to manage your UI components. Create a card element that will securely collect card information. Customize the style of the card element to match your brand. Add the card element to your HTML. Now, capture user input by setting up a form submission handler. Prevent the default form submission behavior. Within the handler, call Stripe's createToken method with the card element. If the token is created successfully, submit it to your server. On the server side, receive the token and charge the user using your secret key. Handle any errors or successful payment responses appropriately. Make sure to test your implementation thoroughly using Stripe's test card numbers. Finally, once everything works as expected in test mode, switch to live mode by updating your API keys in your code. Deploy your application and monitor transactions through your Stripe dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.